Hello everyone and happy holidays. Welcome to our amazing Nutcracker yoga adventure. Now you can see the highlights here on YouTube, or if you want to see the whole adventure, you need the Cosmic Kids app. Go to app.cosmickids.com to get your free 2-week trial, and you can try out all of the extra adventures we got on there. It's amazing. Have a lovely time. Bye. There. Now we're ready to begin, and today we have a special adventure. It's the Nutcracker. Can we open those branches wide and use our fingers to add a little extra sparkle? Very good, everyone. Shh, 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 shh. And she reaches the Nutcracker just as the clock strikes 12. Bringing our feet together, reaching our arms all the way above our head. Bong! Then something rather strange begins to happen. The Christmas tree begins to grow into a giant Christmas tree. Let's do our tree pose. Bringing our foot one on top of the other, using our heel, hands together. We grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Goodness me, they have the longest, strongest, straightest legs. Hands on our hips, we lift up one leg. Try not to wobble. Now can we stretch it out? Very good, everyone, and lower it down. Excellent. Strong legs for this one. Clara is loving this show. But next, it gets even more beautiful when the flowers come on in full bloom, twirling and swirling as they dance the waltz. Jumping our feet wide, arms wide. Let's twirl and swirl. We can feel our hearts beating, but getting slower and calmer. Enjoying some peace and calm after such an adventure. There's so much in the Nutcracker. So much energy and fun. And at the end, it's nice just to lie back and let everything go.